What's going on, everybody? It's King Customs 813, and today I have a special episode for you guys. We are in the month of February, which means it is Black History Month. So I will be customizing a pair of Vans to go with a Black History Month theme. So make sure you guys stay tuned through the whole video to see how it turns out. Make sure you guys like the video. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Turn on the post notifications. And with all that being said, I'll catch you guys at the end of the video. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I have finished the custom shoes. I have to say I am very pleased with how they turned out. They feature a bunch of different sayings like I have a dream, black girl magic, black boy joy, black excellence, truth is powerful and it prevails. And it also features the BLM fist and the BLM itself. I also went ahead and put on a little tribal pattern on the red, yellow, and green just to give it a little bit more personality. But overall, I am very pleased with how they turned out. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys leave a like, Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications. Also, if you guys want to be a part of the restoration series, you can shoot me a DM on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, wherever, so that you can be a part of that. And let me know what you guys want to see in the future down in the comments. But once again, thank you guys for tuning in, and I will catch you guys in the next video.